Bitcoin and Ethereum has been pushed back into the spotlight. But first, drop the beat. Well, good afternoon and welcome to another edition of Crypto News. My name is George Broughton. Today is August 9th, 2020. Bitcoin has been pushed back into the spotlight thanks to a recent rally and renewed interest from Wall Street heavyweights such as Dave Portnoy. Dave Portnoy, the founder of Barstool Sports Blog and an outspoken Bitcoin skeptic, has invited cryptocurrency exchange founders Cameron and Tyler Winklevoss, otherwise known as the Winklevoss twins, to explain Bitcoin to him. I'm officially inviting the Winklevoss twins to my office to explain Bitcoin to me, Portnoy said via his Twitter feed. I want to buy all the Bitcoins. Invitation accepted, the Winklevoss twins replied, with his brother Cameron adding, I'm in too. We'll follow that meeting and see where it goes. The Winklevoss twins, who founded Gemini, the New York-based Bitcoin and cryptocurrency exchange, in 2014, have become a household name in the U.S. since the release of the Hollywood blockbuster A Social Network, which is a fictionalized account of how they worked with Facebook co-founder and chief executive Mark Zuckerberg on an early version of the Facebook website. This isn't their first high-profile meeting. Bitcoin cryptocurrency heavyweights and big names of finance met earlier this year, one being Justin Sun, sat down with legendary investor Warren Buffett, hoping to convince Warren Buffett, who is another Bitcoin skeptic, cryptocurrency skeptic, of the merits of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, after Buffett famously described Bitcoin as probably rat poison squared in 2018. That's heavy. Portnoy's newfound interest in Bitcoin was welcomed by the crypto community. In other crypto news, Chainlink's Link token has now added 120% of its price to its price as of last month, climbing to over $13 per token, respectively, and building on gains around 500% during last year, with some investors saying that Link is still widely undervalued. Chainlink is on track to function as a decentralized de facto security layer for any and all transactions of meaningful value. Michael Anderson, who's the co-founder of Framework Ventures and the largest private holder of Link tokens outside of his core team in Bitcoin and crypto exchanges, hopes that the rally behind Chainlink and its Link coin will continue. Chainlink is up more than 65% from last week alone and has been boosted in recent months by a surge in the interest of the decentralized or the DeFi applications that sit on the Ethereum blockchain. We're going to talk about Ethereum later. And the idea that blockchain entrepreneurs can use Bitcoin and other crypto blockchain technologies like Ethereum again to recreate traditional finance instruments such as loans and insurance. So stay tuned for more information there. And now in other cryptocurrency news, the price of Bitcoin jumped to over $12,000 late Sunday evening, which has added 30% of its market value since last month, though some smaller cryptocurrencies have made far bigger gains. So let's jump into the top 5 cryptocurrencies to watch this week. According to Cointelegraph.com, the United States markets have rallied sharply from their March lows, led by the tech sector and the Federal Reserve injections designed to uphold an ailing economy. Markets across the globe have also joined the party as a steady economic recovery from the coronavirus pandemic picks up steam. The fast-paced rally in global stock markets have pushed the Buffett indicator into a bubble territory, which suggests that the markets might be overheated in the short term. Similarly, gold has seen a sharp rally in 2020, and last week the asset reached a new lifetime high. Silver has also followed suit and is trading at near multi-year highs. This suggests that the traders have been diversifying their portfolio, which I've told you guys last week, in other various assets like cryptocurrency in order to protect against the debasing of fiat currencies. Bitcoin has benefited from these rallies. However, the biggest cryptocurrency Bitcoin is trading well below its all-time highs, which signals that if the bullish run continues its current trend, then there may be the potential of an upside. Therefore, even if stocks and gold correct, Bitcoin could have an all-time high during this period. The average directional index, or the ADX, a component of the directional movement indicator, is above 41 for Bitcoin, which suggests that Bitcoin is in a strong trend. The positive directional indicator, or the plus DI, is above the negative directional indicator, or the negative DI, indicating an advantage to the bulls. The bulls purchased a dip on August the 2nd, but they are facing resistance close to the overhead zone for Bitcoin, which is right at $12,113.50 up to $12,304.37. The Bitcoin US dollar pair has formed a pennant, which usually acts as a continuation pattern. A breakout and close above the pennant will be the first sign that the bulls have gained the upper hand. The target objective of such a breakout would be $14,756 for Bitcoin. However, the overhead resistance of $12,304.37 is close by, and traders can wait for the price to sustain above this level before turning positive. The bears are likely to pose a challenge at $13,000 for Bitcoin, but that level is likely to be crossed. However, at $14,000 for Bitcoin, a minor consolidation or a correction is possible. Contrary to this assumption, if the price of Bitcoin dips below the pennant, a drop to the 20-day exponential moving average, which is $10,957 and then $10,400, is possible. A break below this level will be the first sign that the bears are making a comeback. If the 10,000 level cracks, the correction is likely to deepen for Bitcoin. And now, ladies and gentlemen, for the star of our show, the second largest cryptocurrency on the planet, Ethereum. All right, so Ethereum, let's get right into it. The current value of Ethereum in US dollars is $396.07. Ether, which is the coin produced by the Ethereum platform, is currently consolidating at a strong uptrend with an ADX above 59 levels. The bulls have not allowed the price of Ethereum, or the Ether coin, to dip below $366, and support continues to show that the traders are not booking profits in a hurry. After this strong rally, if the Ether US dollar pair does not give up ground, it is a sign that the traders can expect an uptrend and it can resume for some time. In this case, a breakout is close to being above $415.63, which will indicate the possible start of the next big leg of the move up of Ethereum, which we are all anticipating. The first target to watch out for Ethereum is $480 and above it. The rally can extend to $542 for Ethereum. However, instead of the breakout, if the bears sink and sustain the price below $366, a drop to the 20-day EMA, which is $347, is possible. Boo! If the pair rebounds off this support, the bulls will attempt to resume the uptrend. If the bears sink the price below the 20-day EMA, the drop to the next support level would be $320, and that is possible. The deeper the pullback, the longer the time it will take for the next big trend to begin in Ethereum. A break below $320 will indicate that the advantage is with the bears. On to other cryptocurrency news. The XRP, the Ripple Tether, is now trading at 0.29% at 29 US dollars. I'm sorry, that's 0.29 US dollars. In other words, 29 cents, forgive me. The XRP started a strong move up from 19 cents on July 21st that carried it to a high of 32 cents on August 2nd, which is 68% higher than what it was trading at in a very short time. This has pushed the ADX close to 52 levels, suggesting a strong trend for the Ripple. In other news, the Monero, which is currently trading at $92.61, hit an intraday high of $96.55 on August 6th, which met the target objective of $95 as suggested by earlier analysis. The rally of the past few days has pushed the ADX for the Monero above 54 levels, which suggests that there is a strong trend that will continue for the Monero. During two previous occasions for the Monero, the direction was closer to $97.46. Hence, the bears might again mount a strong defense at this resistance. And let's talk about the Tezos, which is broken a price of $3.86 currently. It broke out at $2.63 between $3.25 on August the 8th, which suggests that the bulls have overpowered the bears. The 20-day EMA, which was $3.08, is sloping up, which also suggests that the bulls have the upper hand with the Tezos. If the bulls can sustain the price of $3.25, the next target objective for the XTZ will be $3.87, which is just below the February 19th high of $3.97. The bears are likely to mount a stiff resistance if this level continues, but if the bulls can scale the price above it, the momentum is likely to pick up. Currently, the ADX is close to 18 levels, which suggests that the trend has still not picked up strength. The bears will make an attempt to drag the XTZ US dollar pair back down below $3.25, and if they succeed, the pair could remain bound for a few more days. Ladies and gentlemen, that's it in crypto news today. Listen, if you are looking for a way to invest in cryptocurrency, I have the perfect way for you. I use a platform called Million Money, which is an application, a decentralized application that sits on top of the Ethereum platform. I can give you more information about it. You can go to my website for more education on Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies. The website is www.cryptonairclub.com. I invite you to leave a message here, like and share if you're watching this on Facebook, and I'll talk to you guys soon.